up guys, I'm Jacob, this is Benny. Welcome back to another episode. We've just arrived at, to one of our local airbag man specialists, Auto Giant.
The team here will be installing an onboard air supply system into one of our good friends from Exploring Off the Grid, Isuzu off-road truck.
This is going to be mint. The team had recently finished Jamie's truck and he's been all over the country with that. He's absolutely loving it. Now they're onto the second one, which is Rick's. This is going to be awesome.
We've got our compressor all mounted in behind here, nice and tidy. Now we're just trying to get onto the tank, which will mount under here.
So we're just drilling the 4 holes here, where we're mounting the up and down switches for each corner of the car. So we'll drill those off-centered so we can have the labels on the bottom for which one they're going to. And then after we'll put the must switch in the end there, so let's go.
G'day guys, I'm down here at Auto Giant with Jacob and the guys from Airbag Man. They're finishing the build on the latest Exploring Off the Grid truck. We're getting ready to head off to Cape York in 2 weeks time, so stay tuned to our new Exploring Off the Grid YouTube series coming soon. Thanks.
There we go guys, thanks for watching this episode. Stay tuned for the next one. Now remember, bag it with the best.